Hello my friends, my name is Paul, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, and welcome to this video. And this video will be about the coaxial cables and will be about my mag loop antennas, just a little bit. I will show you in this video how I made a mag loop made of coax. I am using for my mag loop antenna a special Belden coaxial cable. It is the Belden H1000 or H1000. This coaxial cable is the microwave cable and has very low losses, so you can use this cable for any connections to your antenna on 70 centimeter, 2 meters and HF. It's a 50 ohm cable, and the outer diameter is 10.3 millimeter wide. Inner conductor or inner core is made of the bare copper and is completely solid. So the inner diameter is 2.62 millimeter. So I think it's pretty heavy inside core, and this is very important when I want to use it like a mag loop, because when I made a mag loop antenna, I want to have a perfect circular shape of the mag loop. I don't need any supports or something others, so we have to find some cable with the inner solid core, and this is perfect one because inside of this cable is no aluminum. It's completely copper. Okay, and this also prevents this cable before crack, because when you very often set up your antenna up and down, and I don't know, when you belt your cable more times, there is a big risk that if you use aluminum inner core, that this core will crack. This is the copper inner core, and this is very important to me. The cable has very low losses, I said before. So the HF bands and 100 meter long cable, the loss is 2.8 dB. It's a very good value, and on 70 centimeters it has 8.4 dB on 100 meters. So I think it's a really good cable also for the other purposes. Not just for the mag loop antennas. Okay, so I will use the PL-259, the 259 PL with the clamp system here. So I will show you in this video how I attach this connector onto this coaxial cable. In my mag loop antennas, I connect the capacitor only to the inner core. I don't use the outer shield of the coaxial cable. Capacitance between inner core and outer shield is exactly 251 picofarads. So I'm radiating with the coupling loop directly into the outer shield, and capacity between outer shield and inner shield is 251 picofarads. So definitely I'm radiating into inner core. I don't know why, I'm not a really big expert, but I realized that I can achieve a very good SWR with this system. and I try to measure some difference between coaxial with the outer shield connected and with the inner shield connected, and I realized that there is no really big difference when I'm transmitting and also when I'm receiving. But the biggest problem when I use the outer shield is that I did not get the best SWR. The best SWR was about 1.5 or more, and this is not good. So this system is better when I use the inner core only and the outer shield is not connected to anywhere. Firstly, we have to cut 2.1 centimeters from the jacket. And now cut the jacket in the opposite side or direction. Cut the jacket in the opposite direction, like here. Also, don't go too much deep, and pull out the jacket. Okay, now it's almost ready to attach this connector. First, we have to remove the top part and slide on the coaxial cable. Okay, and the other parts so here is the pin and two washers and one something like a hat or something. I don't know what exactly is it. So the two washers are a little different. One washer has one washer, or the first washer, has a different inner diameter, you see. So the washer with bigger diameter inside have to go first over the jacket, then go the rubber, and after that the second washer with smaller diameter. Okay, now it's ready for a hat. One very important thing is that you have to cut the wire here, or you should cut the wire here about 5 millimeters or 1 centimeters. Okay, don't go too much deep. Good. And now we have to spread the wires around the cable or around the inner core. Good. Good. And now it's time for this thing like hat or something. So in this direction you have to pull this thing inside below the shielding wires. I will use this to push inside. Okay, good. And now we have to cut the wires around the cable. Everything should be clean, so you can clean the rubber. Okay. Make sure that the connection is 100% okay. And now put the copper foil right on the level of this hat or something. And also cut the isolation. Don't go too much deep, because you can damage the inner core. Well, it's okay. So you can see in detail. This is okay. And on the final, we have to solder this pin on the wire. I have to fix the cable in the in this thing. I'm sorry, I'm not the best in English. And now I have to solder this pin. Be careful, don't use too much solder. Now we have to clean the inner part with an alcohol or something else. Mag-lube antennas are in general very sensitive to any resistance. Even a small resistance can make a lot of problems with the antennas, and the efficiency will be worse with increasing of the resistance on the antenna system. Okay, and now we have to screw this thing inside. I will need two tools. one will be number 17 and the other one 16. 17 for this place, and 16 here. Okay, and it's done. So the cable is finished, and now we can mount this loop on my mag-loop antenna. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching. If you have some question, don't hesitate to ask me down in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you later. 73. Bye bye.